Hi all, welcome back to our channel. Today let's make healthy and tasty masala mushroom roast in air fryer. This is delicious and super easy to make. So for that, take 200 grams of clean mushroom. For that, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon freshly grounded ginger garlic paste, 1 and half teaspoon corn flour, half a lemon juice. Add 2 teaspoons of oil, mix well and coat evenly. Now add the mushrooms to the air fryer basket in a single layer. Here I have cut the mushrooms, but you can add it as whole. Now roast the mushrooms at 180 for 15 minutes. This is a very good evening snack for tea time. Crispy, juicy, tasty, flavorful snack is ready to be served. Subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye.